Hey, 7th grade humanities, this is Miss Skeen. I'm in my car with my mobile office, and I thought I would show you some changes that I made to the Google Classroom. So I'm going to shrink this. Sorry about the video quality, but this is what you got to do. So if you look here at the Google Classroom, you'll see that you probably noticed the stream gets really messy. It's kind of hard to figure out what it is that we're doing, mainly because of all those trivia questions. So if you click on classwork, now you'll see that you've got a few different categories. You have distance learning, the trivia questions, and then all the other stuff that we've done so far this year. So from now on, if you will look here, you'll see exactly what is due. Okay, you can see last week's right here, and then this will be next week's. So if I click on that, here we have our assignment for this week. You still have an example Google Doc. This one's been updated. You'll see Google Doc number 2. So there's a few updates there. You can take a look at that to see what it is that you're expected to do. Again, the resources page, which I'm sorry I didn't get a whole lot added to it because the internet went out in my house. But if you scroll down, you'll see there's still the reading choice board. Whatever you did last week, please don't do that this week. There's now a new writing assignment. This is a creative writing assignment. So please create for me a brand new sport. This sport you're going to play with jetpacks. Okay? And then here is our information for this week that we're studying in Texas history. We're going to learn about oil. So there's going to be a hyperdoc. It's going to be a separate assignment that will show up in the classroom for you to look at. And then, of course, you'll have your choices underneath that. So you'll have choice 1 and choice 2, the Dakota oil boom article, or state of Texas oil industry video. So there's 2 different things that you could look at there, one or the other. There are some different questions in here for your reflection. It's not the same as last week, so make sure you check it out. Okay? So I'll go back into the classwork, and in just a few minutes there's going to be another assignment listed here, and that will be the hyperdoc that we talked about in the distance learning plan. So please keep up the questions. They're very handy. They help me know where you guys are struggling. Please keep up the trivia. It's hysterical. Don't be like my 8th graders and cheat. They looked it up today, and I knew they looked it up because it's the same stuff I looked up when I had to look at these nasty pictures of that slow worm. Thanks a lot, Siraj. Anyways, so I'm going to try to do a Google Hangout this week. If you guys are interested, let me know. I don't know what your other classes are doing, so it's kind of hard to say for sure we'll do this day, but I will be getting in contact with y'all to let you know, so that if you want to join us and say hi to the rest of your classmates, then we could do that. Okay? I really miss you guys. Y'all have a great week.